Hello everybody. I thought I would shoot a quick video on how to do word problems when we are dealing with sequences. This one in particular is going to be over arithmetic sequence. And word problems, in applications always give people trouble. So I thought I would go over how we would actually approach this one. So for our problem, we have a company has grown steadily every year for the past 20 years. One of their top employees joined them that first year, and they began earning a salary of $18,700. Pretty good. Every year the company grew, they gave them a raise of $300. How much was their salary during their 20th year? All right, so to do this one, they're not asked. Now, keep in mind, they're not asking how much money this person has made from the company over these 20 years. They're simply asking, hey, after 20 years, how much does this person make? So, this is a sequence problem. So, because of this, we want to make sure we use a sequence equation. So, now, if you didn't write the explicit formula for a sequence at the end of my last video, here it is again. Almost screwed up there. So a1 plus n minus 1 equal to an. So, remember, a1 here is, I forgot to write the common difference, d. That's my bad. I knew I was supposed to put something there. So in this one, remember, A1 is what we refer to as our starting value. It's what our very first number is. D represents the difference between one number to the next. N represents the term that we're actually looking for. So, here we go. Now, in this one, so sorry about that, y'all. First up, we actually want to identify what our A1 is. So, our A1 here, if we look for, it says that they start at $18,700. So, we start by plugging that in for our A1 here. Next up, we need to identify what the common difference is. So, the common difference is looking for their raise. So their raise was $300, and each year that was an increase of $300. So we're going to do plus 300. Next is our N. So we're looking for how much was their salary during their 20th year. Now, the way they phrase this is very specific because they're not asking like, okay, after their 20th year, how much was this person making? No, they want to know before the 20th year had passed, how much was this person's salary? So they haven't received that raise for the 20th year yet. They've only received the raise for 19 years at this point. It's all, when it comes to word problems, it's all about phrasing and how they do it. So, for this, we do want to use our 20 for our term here. 20 minus 1. Because when we do this, we get 18,700 plus 300 times 20 minus 1 is 19. And after that, we need to pick up a calculator because I don't know about you, but I can't do this in my head. So 18,700 plus 300 times 19, 24,400. So we get a sub 20 equals 24,400. And there you go. So during their 20th year, this is how much money they would be making over that year. So, nowadays, not bad amount. I'd be asking for a raise at this point if I was them, but hey, not bad, not bad. So, but yeah, this is how you approach the word problems when you're looking at a sequence. Figure out what your first term is. Look to see if there's a common difference. If the rate of change from year to year is the exact same, that tells you you're dealing with a common difference. Then you gotta start identifying, okay, what's your n? In this case, we wanted to use 20. So, but that's it. That's all we have for the applications. If you got any questions, leave comments, send me a message. Otherwise, take care, y'all. Bye-bye.